everybody, today I want to show you another door handle lock. Different model. This is the ST668 and it comes in this box. I've done one before. It's just a different model, different look. This one has this style of handles, and again, this is one of those few where you actually have the lock and the handle together. They're not just the lock where you put the code and then just unlock it and that's it. This one has the actual handle. I'll put it right here so you can see it. This is both sides. This is the keypad. It will light up once you put the batteries. And this is the back where you put the battery right there. And also you can select several different codes for everybody in the family, and you can have the security code or the secret code, which is, again, you put some numbers in front of your actual code and then some numbers in the back. That way people don't see which one is the actual code. It will let you know when you're running out of batteries, and it will beep as you touch in the numbers, or you can mute it out if you like. I'm going to be installing it and showing you how easy it is, and with the batteries on you will see the touchpad and how it lights up, which is the ST668. So also this one has so that you can put the key over here. Once you have it set up, you put all the screws that you need to put in to secure it, and then you have right there the keypad where you can put your codes, and it will tell you whether you got it right or wrong. If you run out of battery, you have here the spot for the key. And again, what I like about it is that it's not a deadbolt. So again, I don't have to have two separate holes on the door. Maybe my door doesn't have it and I didn't want to deal with having to make a hole. So this one, again, I can use it as a lock and the keypad. I don't need to have a key, only for emergencies. So I'm really happy with it. It does the job if you don't have the deadbolt, and it looks pretty nice. So I hope you guys find it as good looking and as convenient